Hello friends, once again this is me, a non-personality. In this video I will share some leaked rumors, specification and price of iPhone SE 3. Let's start, but firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos notifications. iPhone SE has been subjected to a host of leaks. Now refresh render have appeared with the distinctive looking design. Keep that in mind. We decide to update you with the latest information available around this smartphone. iPhone SE 3 may get a design refresh. A14 Bionic SU3 may power the iPhone SE. The device could feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. Apple last year surprised everyone with an affordable iPhone. The iPhone SE 2020 that pocket decent hardware. However, the design turned out to be a huge letdown. Now the Apple is working on iPhone SE 2020 successor. It would want to fix all caveats and include the design. Now there's a lot of conflict about the name of upcoming device. Therefore, until further clarification, we'll be calling it iPhone SE 3. This smartphone has been subjected to the several leaks, helping us with the plenty of details. A few renders have appeared heading toward the different design from what we had a previous leak. But it's worth nothing that not coming until 2023 as per the leak. The upcoming iPhone SE 3 has been plenty of leaks, some of which suggest that it will feature 5.5 inches, whereas the other point out toward an even bigger 6.1 inches display. Analyst Rose Young also believed that this device will feature 6.1 inches display, but that model isn't coming until 2023. Now, Apple Lab has curated some render based on a rumor about the iPhone SE coming in 2023. From what we can see, the smartphone seems to feature a square edge design, more like the iPhone 12 models. The single camera on the rear and the flash are placed in the horizontal pill-shaped module. On the front, it can be seen sporting centered punch hole display with the minimal bezels. None of the iPhone SE 3 vendors we have seen feature Touch ID, which leads us to believe that it will feature an in-display fingerprint scanner for the authentication. Apple Lab and a few other leaks are hinting toward the same. The display is supposed to remain of the LCD kind to keep the price of the smartphone in check. Another reason for the additional LCD display on the iPhone SE 3 is differentiate it from the top tier iPhones. Apple shipped the iPhone SE 2020 with the A13 Bionic chipset. So we are assuming that the upcoming SE model will feature the current gen A14 Bionic SoC. This is the hexa-core chipset built on a 5.5 nm manufacturing process. Slice pro almost anything. The previous iteration, the iPhone SE 2020 shipped in the three variants, 64, 128 and the 256 GB, and the same is expected for the upcoming iPhone SE 3. The single rear camera on the iPhone SE 2020 wasn't the either, so it's supposed that the Apple might go the same way. Even the leak render suggests the same for the iPhone SE 3. That being said, nothing can be said for sure based on early rumors. The mediocre battery life on the iPhone SE 2020 was a major concern, so we are hoping Apple fixes that. We have also heard that this device may feature QI wireless charging. Finally, the device is expected to bring 5G and Wi-Fi 6 support. The iPhone SE 2020 did not arrive at the spring-loaded event held on April 20. So all focus has now shifted to the WWDC 2021 event that kicks off on June 7. It's supposed that Apple may reveal a few details about the device during the event. In the case that doesn't happen, the launch could be pushed to 2022. As per some other leaks, iPhone SE is going to be Apple's next budget offering. It will be competing with the host of powerful Android devices in a similar price bracket. Keeping that and the previous pricing in mind, we are expected that iPhone SE 3 to be priced around $390 or $450. Hope you like this information. See you in the next video. Bye bye.